Okay, let's talk about the meter signatures first. So here are our most common compound meter signatures: 6898 and 128. So all of them have the lower number of 8, which means we're going to be looking at eighth notes as the division of the beat. Now, these three can be called 6/8 can also be called duple meter, 9/8 triple, and 12/8 quadruple, for the exact reason that I just explained. Let's put some eighth notes in these things just so we can see what's happening here. Okay, now you see why we can call 6/8 duple meter, because there are two big groups of 3. Right? We're in a compound meter, so we know things are going to be grouped by 3 instead of 2, which they are in simple meter. So simple meter, things are grouped in groups of 2. In compound meter, they're in groups of 3. And we can furthermore call this a duple meter because we can feel that big 2. We could feel 1 da da 2 da da 1 da da 2 da da if we wanted to. We could also feel 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Typically when you're performing this, you're going to put an accent on that 4. So you would feel 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right? So duple meter. 9/8 we sometimes call triple meter. And that's why. Because there are 3 big groups of 3. But there are also 9/8 notes, so we call it 9/8. And 12/8 we sometimes call quadruple meter. And you can probably guess what's going to happen when I fill this with eighth notes now. Boom. 4 big groups of 3, right? Now in the previous video, I mentioned something about this dotted quarter note that I want to clear up here. Remember from when we talked about how to read rhythms, what would be a single note or a single rhythm that we could write that would encapsulate 3 eighth notes? It's a dotted quarter note. So let me do this. Let me get rid of these. Let's see if I can put one of these down.